2008 Impacts and Collisions. 3 identical smooth spheres lie at rest on a smooth horizontal table. Okay, let's call these A, B, and C. And the first sphere is given a speed of 2 in this direction, and it's going to hit B. So let's set up A and B. They have identical masses, so M and M, and we have a 2 and a 0 and a P and a Q. So we're going to get 2 times M plus 0 times M is equal to M times P plus M times Q. So P plus Q is equal to 2. So conservation of momentum, Newton's experimental law, it's going to be P minus Q over 2 minus 0 is equal to minus E, so we just write minus 2E. So we're going to get 2P is equal to 2 minus 2E. So P is equal to 1 minus E. Q is equal to, from this equation, Q is equal to 2 minus P. So 2 minus 1 plus E. Q is equal to 1 plus E. So we have P and Q, 1 minus E and 1 plus E. So then there's going to be a second collision. The second sphere collides with the third. So B is colliding with C. Identical masses. C is at rest. And the speed of B is Q, which is 1 plus E. And we'll call these P and Q again. So we're going to have M times 1 plus E plus M times 0 is equal to MP plus MQ. So P plus Q is equal to 1 plus E. I'll also have P minus Q over 1 plus E is equal to minus E. So just put the minus E here and the 1 plus E up on top. Save ourselves a line. And then these will combine to get rid of Q. 2P is equal to 1 plus E minus E squared. So 2P is equal to, they'll cancel, just 1 minus E squared. So P is equal to a half minus E squared over 2. What's Q equal to here? Q is equal to, from this equation, Q is equal to 1 plus E minus P. So minus a half plus E squared over 2. So Q is equal to a half plus E squared over 2. So we have our 3 speeds. We have 1 minus E for A. For B, we now have B obviously is traveling with this speed of P, which we got to be a half minus E squared over 2. And C is traveling with this speed Q. I'll just put an arrow to there. That's what C is. What else are we asked? Show there will be at least one more collision. Okay, is the speed of A greater than B? Is 1 minus E greater than a half minus E squared over 2? If I bring both of these things to the left, I will get E squared over 2. I'm going to get 1 is already on the left, minus a half, and the minus E is already there, so plus a half. Is this greater than 0? Can I make this into a square? Would this be a half times E squared minus E over 2 plus 1? Factorize for me. E squared over 2. No, that's not right. That's 2E. Apologies. That's 2E to give me minus E. So that will factorize. That's going to be a half times E minus 1 squared greater than 0. And if I multiply by 2, I can say that E minus 1 squared is greater than 0. And therefore, A will collide with B. So we don't need to worry about B and C, and it looks like C is going to be faster than B anyway. A will collide with B. So that's the end of this question.